Welcome back to Primetime News. Negotiations between the University of Technology and the Students' Union Council have ended. Students' Union Council President Joel Brown says the university has agreed to reduce the fees and the council is now satisfied with the outcome.
For the enrollment commitment deposit, we have reduced it from $60,000 to $50,000 in semester 1 and $40,000 in semester 2 for local students. For international students, we have reduced it from $400 to $312 in semester 1 and $250 in semester 2. As it relates to the proposed 10% tuition increase for all students, we were successful in reducing that to 7% for incoming students and 5% for returning students. I want to sincerely thank all counselors for their support, which has made our accomplishments possible. We also want to thank the university administration for compromising as we continue to act in the best interest of the students